In this video, we'll show you what to do if the microphone is not working on your Lenovo laptop. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now here go to this privacy and security tab. Now scroll down and then click on microphone. Now here make sure that the microphone access is enabled. Additionally, the app you are using also needs to have the microphone access, so make sure this toggle is also enabled. You can then scroll down to enable or disable microphone access for each of your apps. Once you have done this, go to the system tab. Now here click on sound. Now here you will need to scroll down to this input section. Now make sure the correct microphone input device is selected. So if you are using an external microphone or whether you are using your Lenovo laptop's internal microphone, make sure the correct device is selected and then check its volume level from here. If you don't see your microphone on this list or if the issue persists even after this, scroll down and then click on more sound settings. Now in this window, go to this recording tab right here. Now here you will need to select the microphone that you want to use, right click on it and make sure it's enabled. If you see the enable option here, make sure to select it to enable the microphone. After that, select the microphone and then set it as the default option. Finally, right click on the microphone again and go to properties. Now go to this levels tab and make sure that the microphone level is not too low. So make sure to increase this slider. Then go to advanced tab. And here make sure this allow applications to take exclusive control option is selected. Additionally, you will need to uncheck this audio enhancements option. Finally, click on apply and then click on OK again. However, if nothing else works, right click on the start icon and then go to device manager. In the device manager window, expand this audio inputs and outputs. Now right click on your default microphone that you are having trouble with and then select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Lenovo laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.